Hello, and welcome to today's C# tip. Today, we're going to talk about overloading functions in C#. Overloading functions is a technique in C# that allows you to define multiple methods with the same name, but different parameters. This can be useful when you want to perform similar operations on different types of data, or when you want to provide different levels of functionality for the same operation. To overload a function in C#, you simply define multiple methods with the same name, but different parameter lists. For example, let's say you want to write a method that adds two numbers together. You could define multiple methods with the same name, but different parameter types. In this example, we've defined three methods with the same name, but different parameter types. The first method takes two integers as parameters. The second method takes two doubles, and the third method takes two strings. When you call the add method, C# will automatically choose the correct overload based on the parameter types you pass in. For example, overloading functions can make your code more concise and easier to read because you can use the same method name for similar operations. However, it's important to be careful not to overload functions too much, as it can make your code more complex and harder to maintain. That's it for today's C# tip. I hope you found it helpful.